Hey everyone, I wanted to do a short review on the Magellan bastrop 5-person dome tent. I've seen a lot of negative reviews, but honestly, these worked great and they're a great price. So there was a storm rolling in. There were about 60-mile-per-hour winds with this, but check out the clouds. This definitely helped with the sun because it was so hot. The sun is really brutal out there. Here's some of the wind. You can see that the tents were put to the test. I don't know if this was a 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, but it definitely got up there. I wish I would have got the rain, but the rain and the lightning, which was insane, was at about 2 o'clock in the morning, and it woke me up, scared the crap out of me. We actually all ended up getting into the truck just because of the lightning, not the thunder or the rain. Don't mind the window here. It is dirty because it's super sandy out there. Here's a little bit more of the wind. I'm gonna go ahead and just put some music behind it for a second, and then we'll get to the review on the tent. These are the stakes that we decided to get from Northern Tool. We did get a total of 2 for each tent. They're the 20-inch grip mega stakes, and these things are no joke. They were in the ground so good, we decided to leave them there until next time so that we know exactly where to set everything up. They're already in the ground, and we don't have to worry about anything. And here are the original ones that came with the tent. Those things won't really hold it that well with the wind, obviously, but here you can see the mega stakes in the ground and how well they were holding up. Quick little view of the side and the back of the tent. I know it's a little hard to see. I should have been zoomed out a little bit more, but here is the opening of the tent. And you can already see it's a pretty good size. Don't mind the dirt inside. It's obviously sandy out there, and we're just tracking it back and forth. But this is for 5 people. There was 2 of us in here. We had plenty of room to move around. It does say that it's 6 feet tall. Definitely not. I'm 5'7", and I still couldn't stand all the way straight up, but it was still pretty good. Here's one of the windows. There's a total of 4 in here. You can already see just by where the opening is just how awesome that view is. It definitely does give a nice breeze as well. Here is one of the side windows. You can have it up all the way, you can have it halfway. We did have it about halfway until the rain came in, and then we did have to zip it up. It did get pretty chilly in there. Here's our cute dog, Chico. And then here you can see one of the pockets. There's a total of 2 pockets. They did work out, you know, flashlight, phone, walkie-talkie. And then here's the other window. So that's pretty much it. Next time I will be sure to get a video of us putting the tent up. It did only take about 10 minutes. It was very simple. I would definitely give it 10 out of 10. One more quick all-around view. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for future videos, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.